Ani Bujuk, Winged Anishnaabeg, Mezraging Donjaban, Nemedorum, Grand Council Chief Rejnigadabi, Anishinaabeg Nation. This year, the Anishinaabeg Nation is celebrating Anishinaabeg Gijigut on June 6, 2023, to honor, of course, our Anishinaabe identity, history, traditions, and pride. Anishinaabeg Gijigut commemorates the proclamation of the Anishinaabeg Chinook Nagayawin and the adoption of the Godwe Wangazid Anishinaabe on June 6, 2012. By virtue of our Anishinaabeg Nation Leadership Council, June 6 was proclaimed as Anishinaabeg Gijigut on November 17, 2021. Of course, our greatest strength is our Anishinaabe ways, our language, our culture, our history, our traditions, and our people. So we have very much to celebrate on this day. This year, the Anishinaabeg Nation will be celebrating Anishinaabeg Gijigut with host community Curve Lake First Nation, where the event will be live streamed to bring our communities together from all across the Anishinaabeg Nation. And of course, this can be accessed on our Anishinaabeg Nation YouTube channel. Looking forward to seeing you on the Anishinaabeg Nation YouTube channel or in person. Miigwech.